Okay, this is for homework set 2, and this is for March 11th, 2020. So this is by yourself, and you will do this in your notebook, and you will also do AZAR exercise 32, 33, 35, 38, 39, 41, and 42. Okay, so this will help you finish chapter 5 in AZAR. Okay, so the first topic in your notebook is which and what kind of. These are two information questions that you can ask when you are when you have different choices. So the first example, which plus noun do you want? Okay, the speaker wants me to make a choice between 2 or more options. So, okay, as an example, I have a red pen and I have a blue pen. Which pen do you want? Okay, so this question it means this person wants me to choose one of 2 options or 3 options or more, okay? So which pen do you want? Or you could say which one do you want, okay? It means the same thing, all right? Another example. I will sell you a green car or a blue car. Which car do you want? Okay, and again, I have 2 or more choices, and I can use which with a noun. That's the noun that I'm choosing. Okay, which pen, which car. Okay, so that's using which for questions. All right. Next, what kind of something do you like? So I can use what kind of. The speaker wants to know the specific type of thing. So as an example, I have different fruit. Okay, so I like different types of fruit: mango, grapes, peaches, bananas, apples, pomegranates, watermelon, apple, pear, lemon, orange. Okay, so the person, I can say, I like fruit. I like to eat fruit. And then the person asks me, what kind of fruit do you like? Okay, so again, we have what kind of is our special question phrase, and then I put a noun. This is the general type, the general category, and then I give my answer. I can say, if they say, what kind of fruit do you like? You know, I could say, I like bananas and apples, okay? So these are types or kinds of fruit, okay, in my answer. So let's look at a couple examples here, and I want you to fill in the blank with which or what kind of, okay? And you can do this in your notebook. So, number one, I have 2 pens. 2 pens. Blank one do you want? Do I use which or what kind of? Which. Which one do you want? Okay. I'll take the blue one. Okay. Number 2, my friend has 2 cars. Which car will you buy? So I'm buying a car. My friend has 2. Which car will you buy? I'll buy the green car because it's newer. Okay. So I have these 2 cars. I'll buy the green one. Next, you like fruit. What kind of fruit do you like? Okay. I like apples, bananas, and grapes. Okay. Number 4, Slimani has different kinds of shops. It has supermarkets, like this, bazaars, and small stores, like a small shop like this. Store did you visit for new shoes? So I'm asking, again, these are the different kinds of shops. So in my question, what kind of shop, what kind of store did you visit? All right. And I visited one of the bazaars. There is one in Bakrajo. Okay. So when I want more information about the type or the kind, then I can use what kind of plus noun. Okay. If I have 2 choices or more and I want to ask which one, I want to know what is your choice, then I can say which plus noun plus verb, okay? So let's try a practice. With your notebook, I have 4 words in bold with a number, and I want you to write questions with which or what kind of to get these answers, okay? So in your notebook, I want you to read the paragraph. So I want to buy a motorbike. Somebody told me to buy a Nami Pro bike. These bikes are from Iran and they have Chinese parts. I also like Honda bikes. Hondas are valuable because they are reliable. My favorite kind of bike is Honda. However, they are more expensive here in Kurdistan. Maybe I'll buy a Nami Pro bike. This bike will be cheaper. I will buy a helmet for safety. I'll buy the bike on the motorbike street in Slemani. Okay, so let's get, for each of these words in bold, I want you to write information question or using which or what kind of to get the answer, okay? So number 1, motorbike is my answer. So what, the answer is I want to buy a motorbike. So what do you want to buy? Okay. Number 2, maybe I'll buy a Nami Pro bike. Okay, a Nami Pro, it's a type of bike, motorbike. So in my question here, I have blank bike will you buy? So I think I need to use one of these new question phrases. What kind of bike? What kind of bike will you buy? Okay. Number 3. Okay, we have for safety. So I will buy a helmet for safety. So for safety, that's like the reason for the helmet. So I need to ask a question, information question. Why will you buy a helmet? Okay. Number 4, I'll buy the bike on the motorbike street in Slimani. Okay. So I think this is asking about the place, location. And so I use information question. Where will you buy the bike? Okay. So one extra idea here. Will is future. Okay. So will plus main verb is how you write the future tense. Okay. So I'm talking about after now. And that is new information for this practice. Okay, so in the next video, I will introduce information questions with how. Okay, so make sure you have this exercise, this practice in your notebook, and I will check it when you get back.